Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. For those that remember, back in August I reviewed this Grizzly wet sharpening. It did a great job sharpening the knife, although this wheel had quite a bit of wobble in it, lateral run out. I contacted people at Grizzly and sent them a video and showed them what it looked like. It should not affect the performance, but they agreed it did not look good in the video, and they were going to handpick and send me a new stone. 2 weeks ago, I had the doorbell ring, and they had sent a brand new machine complete to me. They said they wanted me to have a whole new machine. So what I'm going to do today is show everyone the comparison on these, and you can tell exactly the difference with the lateral run out on these. Now I'm going to start both of these machines so everyone can see. They do not have any water in it. We're not sharpening anything today. This is truly to show you the difference in the machines. You should be able to see a noticeable improvement with the new wheel on this machine. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a ruler and I'm going to show you the lateral run out. And this is the best way for me to gauge it. And everyone can see for themselves just how much it is. You can see that's less than 1/10 of an inch right there. Now this was the original one. And I want everyone to look at this one. You can see that's quite a bit of difference in the lateral run out on these. Also, since the original video, first I had this cheap sharpening stone to dress the wheel. After the video, I went and purchased one of the Grizzly stones. Just look at the difference between these two stones. It made a world of difference. I'd also taped up the jigs, and I had a little bit of problem with the rubbing, so I put some short screws in these. Alleviated the problem. Now I'm going to sit down and talk about the blade that I sharpened after this and let everyone see. And there will be an image in the video of the knife itself. Now I want to show everyone this Kershaw knife that I sharpened after I got a new dressing wheel from Grizzly. Different shaped blade, worked much better. Looks close to a factory edge. And remember, it was 1,000 grit, and this was done with stropping, nothing done by hand. Not too bad for a machine with just 1,000 grit. Now you can see the difference. Now that everyone has seen the side-by-side comparison between this new machine and the old machine, but the stone ran just as true on the old machine as it does this new one. It all goes to show with any company or any product, occasionally something can slip through the cracks. The way Grizzly handled this was above and beyond what I would expect. As I said, I'd ask them for another stone, and they sent the complete machine. But when they did that, I thought no better way to demonstrate it than put them side by side. And with that said, go to their website, order one. If you have an issue with it, if you happen to get a bad stone, they will take care of that problem for you. Go to the Grizzly website and tell them the Bearded Sharpener sent you. Till then, have a good day. Just a reminder for the viewers, Like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.